Okay. So, good morning, uncle.
Morning.
So, may I know your name and your address, please?
Rajesh Sood, Block 7, Flat 301.
So, uncle, so how many years it's been you're in Heritage?
Well, I shifted in 1995, so it's 25 years now. We've been living here, and it has been quite an enjoyable staying here and enjoying this beautiful heritage city.
Okay, uncle. So, as we know, you've served Heritage and its board.
Mhm.
So, how was your experience with the board and your service?
Yeah, initially when we came here, there were very few people. So, as a matter of fact, to bring people and make a society was quite a task earlier. So, but anyhow, we've somehow made the society, got it registered. Um, in the beginning, it was more of a struggle trying to bring Unitech on board to give us the facilities which were promised by them. Anyhow, during that time only, Heritage suddenly left this complex and left it absolutely without any management. So we had to take it over immediately. Um, After taking over, we were able to do many improvements in Heritage City. If you see the boundary wall here, it was just about 4 feet high, 4 to 5 feet. We had to brought it up to about almost 8 feet, which was quite a task, as a matter of fact. In terms of security, it is also was required, very much required at that time. After that, Heritage City has been a very progressive society, I would say. Uh, Water issue had become a very big problem in Gurgaon. The ground level was going down. Uh, so we all came together and I brought a proposal to make water harvesting wells in Heritage City, which was, I would say that all the residents were so much in favor of it that they gave approval immediately. And in collaboration with the uh, Ministry of Water Resources, we made water harvesting wells in Heritage City, which was not even mandatory.
Uh-huh.
But as a society, we felt that it's our responsibility that we must conserve water. So that's how we progress in that area also.
Right, uncle. And what would you say was the highest point in during your tenure?
Well, I was the president twice. This happened in the first term, and the second term we also made an STP plant, sewage treatment plant, which again was saving almost 70,000 liter water. Um, as a matter of fact, we did some calculation also, and with water harvesting and with the STP plant, as a society we are saving almost 4.5 crore liter every year. So, which is a big high point, I would say.
That's amazing, uncle. And so, what's your favorite part about Heritage?
Oh, the whole of Heritage City. I think the greenery in this area and the open area, what we have here, you won't find it anywhere else
Right.
in whole of Gurgaon. I think it's pure bliss.
Okay. Thanks a lot, uncle.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.